great. Yes, Vaughn. Vaughn, can you lay down on your tummy? Okay. Good jump. You just jumped off the step into the water, Munchkin. Are you jumping, Vaughn? What? Is there water in your eyes? Use your windshield wipers. Vaughn, can you sit down and do kicks? Can you sit down and do kicks? Kick, 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 kick. Yeah, do kicks. Yeah, those are good kicks, Vaughn.
Did you see that?
I did. That was great, baby.
Was that a jump?
Yes, it was a very good jump. Oh, look at those kicks. Can you do pulls? Can you pull the water with your hands? Scoop, scoop. Oh, good
Hide
scoop.
in your